In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lucidchart dark mode. To get started, open your diagram inside the Lucidchart editor. This is important because the setting you need is available from within the document itself, not from the general home page. Once your diagram is open, you'll be working directly on the canvas where all of your shapes, lines, and content appear. Before we make the change, it's helpful to understand one quick detail. Lucidchart doesn't currently offer a built-in dark mode toggle in the way some other apps do. So if you're looking for a one-click switch that changes the entire interface to dark mode, that option isn't available here. However, you can still create a dark mode style workspace for your diagram by changing the canvas background color to something darker, such as black. This is a useful workaround if you prefer a darker visual style or want your diagram to stand out differently on screen. Now, to do that, move your cursor to any empty space on the canvas. Make sure you're not clicking on a shape, text box, or connector because you want to open the settings for the document itself. Right-click on that empty area and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Document Settings. A small settings panel will open. Inside that panel, look to the left-hand side and click on the Canvas and Page tab. This section controls the appearance of your working area, including the background. On the right side, find the background color option. You'll see a color swatch next to it. Click that swatch to open the color choices. From the preset colors that appear, select black or choose another dark color if you want a softer dark background instead of pure black. As soon as you click the color, your canvas background will update. That's all you need to do. Your diagram will now have a dark background, giving it a dark mode-like appearance. One quick tip to keep in mind: if your text or shapes are dark as well, they may become harder to see against the new background. If that happens, you may want to adjust the colors of your elements afterwards so everything remains clear and readable. And that's it. You've successfully made your Lucidchart diagram look like dark mode by changing the background color inside the document settings.